Hi everyone, this is Brad. The other day, Julia shared this tweet about Post-it note art with students. She gave a nice shout out to Christina as well. And I started thinking it'd be really neat to have these creations created and ready to go using something like Alice Keeler talked about a little while ago about pixel art. So in order to have these awesome creations ready to go, let's go into a Google Sheet and show you how students can do it themselves. So we're going to go and we're going to select the whole sheet, and then we're going to shrink this. And what we're going to do is we're going to copy this whole sheet here, and all these cells from A to Z. And now what we're going to do is we're going to come over and we're going to Control V and paste it in. So it's going to give us a lot of room. Now what we need to do is we're going to select the whole sheet again, and we need to come over to text color. When we select text color, we need to do some conditional formatting. So what we need to do, make sure it's single color, and write down in here, if text contains, I'm just going to use the number 1. We're going to come down here to fill color, and we're going to make that black. One thing to remember, make sure that they change their text color to the same as their fill color. And we're going to select done. Now we're going to add another rule here. We're going to, same thing, text contains 2. We're going to make this one red, and we're also going to make the text color red as well, and select done. I'm going to add a few more rules here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to start typing a few in. So I'm going to just type in these. And then I'm going to add some more here and you'll see what I create. Okay, so hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. Little Mario. My son was very happy about this. So I'll finish this up and show you what it looks like at the end. Okay, so here you can see Mario. So pretty cool. And then of course you could always come over just to show students, if you remove the rule, what things end up looking like with the numbers. So there you go. Of course you can always go in and fix some things. If you notice, maybe you typed in 22, which is okay. So there you go. Pretty cool to see. Again, you can always go back and bring everything back as well. And there you go. If you have any questions, let me know. Enjoy. Take care. Bye-bye.